Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Telegram apps not showing on Play Store 2026. This apps isn't enabled. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Play Store. Now tap on search bar and search for Telegram apps. If you search for the Telegram apps on Google Play Store, you may encounter that this app is an enable error. Let's fix that this app is an enable problem step by step. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Find the Google Play Store apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Google Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, now tap on force stop and OK. Scroll up, now tap on permission. Now tap on all allow permission. After that, now go back your home screen and restart your device. After that, now go to your Google Play Store. Now tap on search bar and search for Telegram apps. Now tap on Telegram apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.